Good morning, students. As we know in previous class, Turner syndrome is such type of syndrome in which a chromosomal condition is very much defected. That is, Turner syndrome is a chromosomal condition that affects development in females only. The most common feature of the Turner syndrome is short stature, which becomes evident by about age of 5, and early loss of ovarian function, that is ovarian hypofunction or premature ovarian failure, is also very common. So much more things are there in this syndrome. In today's class, we have to know about the genetic alterations and complications of this syndrome. So now come to know first the genetic alterations due to this syndrome. There are 4 genetic alterations of Turner syndrome which are recorded as follows. First is monosomy. The complete absence of an X chromosome generally occurs because of an error in the father's sperm or in the mother's egg. So both are responsible this type of monosomy, and this results in every cell of the body having only one X chromosome. Next is mosaicism. In some cases, an error occurs in cell division during early stages of fetal development. This results in some cells in the body having 2 complete copies of the X chromosome. Other cells have only one copy of the X chromosome. So this type of mosaicism is somehow rare type. And third is X chromosome abnormalities. Abnormal or missing parts of one of the X chromosomes can occur in this syndrome. Cells have one complete and one altered copy. This error can occur in the sperm or egg, with all cells having one complete and one altered copy. This error can occur in the sperm or in the egg, with all cells having one complete and one altered copy. Or the error can occur in cell division in early fetal development, so that only some cells contain the abnormal or missing parts of one of the X chromosomes. So in mosaicism, the alterations of X chromosome in a certain way may be seen. The next is Y chromosome material. Y chromosome material also responsible for this syndrome. In a small percentage of Turner syndrome cases, some cells have one copy of X chromosomes and other cells have one copy of X chromosomes and some Y chromosome material. These individuals develop biologically as female, but the presence of Y chromosome material increases the risk of developing a type of cancer called gonadoblastoma. So due to Y chromosomal material, the gonadoblastoma cancer develops in females. Now, what are the complications due to Turner syndrome? Turner syndrome can affect the proper development of several body systems, but varies greatly among individuals with the syndrome. So what are the abnormalities, what are the complications from Turner syndrome? We have just distributed in 11 subtopics, which are as follows. The first is heart problems. These are the complications, students, from Turner syndrome. First is heart problems, second is high blood pressure, third is hearing loss, fourth is vision problems, fifth is kidney problems, sixth is autoimmune disorders, seventh is skeletal problems, eighth is learning disabilities, ninth is mental health issues, 10th is infertility, and 11th is pregnancy complications. So we have divided 11 complications uh, which is due to Turner syndrome. So now come to know about the details of these problems, these complications. First is heart problem. See, many infants with Turner syndrome are born with heart defects or even slight abnormalities in heart structure that increase their risk of serious complications. And however, this is a very rare case, but it is found and known as the one of the complication of the Turner syndrome. In these heart defects often include problems with the aorta, the large blood vessel that branches off the heart and delivers oxygen rich blood to the body. Next is high blood pressure. Women with Turner syndrome have an increased risk of a high blood pressure, a condition that increases the risk of developing diseases of the heart and blood vessels. So, anyhow, blood pressure and heart disease is very compulsory due to this type of syndrome. Third is hearing loss. Hearing loss is common with Turner syndrome. In some cases, this is due to the gradual loss of nerve function. So, nerve function is being hampered due to this syndrome, and increased risk of frequent middle ear infections can also result in hearing loss. Fourth is vision problems. So, there is heart defects, hearing loss, and now vision problems also. Girls with Turner syndrome has an increased risk of weak muscle control of eye movement, that is strabismus, and nearsightedness and other vision problems from their childhood. Next is kidney problems. Girls with Turner syndrome may have some malformation of the kidneys. Although these abnormalities generally don't cause medical problems, they may increase the risk of high blood pressure and urinary tract infection, that is UTI. So, anyhow, the blood pressure and heart defect is uh, clearly seen. Even there is a kidney problem or another type of problem, blood vessel problem. The heart problem is the common thing which is affected due to Turner's syndrome. The next is autoimmune disorder. Immune system is the important part of our body, and due to this our body is just responsible to fight against many of the disease in some way somehow. So this is another disorder which is very important. Girls and women with Turner syndrome have an increased risk of an underactive thyroid, that is hypothyroidism, due to the autoimmune disorder. So immune disorder creates thyroid problem, hypothyroidism, and this disorder is also known as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. They also have an increased risk of diabetes. So, one disease and all disease. Autoimmune system disorders uh, already affects the thyroid problem, and now the risk of diabetes also. Some women with Turner syndrome have gluten intolerance, that is celiac disease or inflammatory bowel disease. So, one disease have many problems which affects other organs also. The next is skeletal problems. Problems with the growth and development of bones increase the risk of abnormal curvature of the spine, that is called scoliosis. The curvature, abnormal curvature of spine is called scoliosis, and forward rounding of the upper back, that is kyphosis. So let us remember about scoliosis and kyphosis. Women with Turner syndrome are also at increased risk of developing weak brittle bones, that is called osteoporosis. Now the most important, but all are important, but the another most important thing is learning disabilities due to this type of syndrome, that is Turner syndrome. In girls and women with Turner syndrome usually have normal intelligence, but however there is increased risk of learning disabilities also, particularly with learning that involves special concepts, math, memory and attention. So these are the some studies, research studies of learning disabilities. However, it is also called that girls and women with Turner syndrome usually have normal intelligence, but some like math, memory and attention are weak due to this. Next is mental health issues. Girls and women with Turner syndrome may have difficulties functioning well in social situations and have an increased risk of attention deficit or hyperactivity disorder, that is in short ADHD. It is called ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. So these are the mental health issues occurring from the Turner syndrome in girls and women particularly. Next is infertility. Most women with Turner syndrome are infertile, as we know. However, a very small number of women may become pregnant spontaneously, and some can become pregnant with fertility treatment. So infertility case is also seen due to this type of syndrome. The final 11th complication is pregnancy complication. So students, because women with Turner syndrome are at increased risk of complications during pregnancy, and it is also come from a research study such as high blood pressure, aortic dissection. They should be evaluated by a cardiologist before pregnancy. So before pregnancy, cardiologist check and evaluate the blood pressure and another thing related to the heart, and then the risk of this complication may be cured. And so this is about pregnancy complications. So in today's class you have learned about the complications and genetic alterations and complications due to Turner syndrome. So this is for today, and in the both classes, both online classes, in previous class and in today's class, you have just know about the Turner's syndrome in whole. So in the next class you will study the next topic. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.